A man comes home from a game of golf and is greeted by his young son. "Daddy, Daddy," cried the boy, "did you win?" "Well, son," replied the man, "in golf, it doesn't really matter if you win. But I tell you one thing, I sure got to hit the ball more than anyone else." You're welcome. I've started packing up stuff and brought it close to the front door so it'll be easy to load into the U-Haul. Good thing I already got my coffee because somebody's waking up. See your little head moving? Adriana's about to get up, so I'm preparing my spot where she sits. I'll sit here and nurse her. I'll have my coffee and my water ready. Let's go get her. Good morning. Hi. Good morning. Are you happy now? Hi. Yeah, you had your milk? You had all your milk and now you energy. Oh, big yawn. Oh, wow. You big girl. Are you big girl? So fun. You're so fun. Hi. Are you excited for the new house and your new bedroom? Oh, okay. Whoa. Gonna relax. Gonna relax now. Have my milk. Hey. Hey, baby. I don't know if you can tell, but that's like a really wet snow. And then later this afternoon is supposed to be plus 11 degrees Celsius. What bizarre weather. She's entertaining herself over there in the extra saucer. I might as well get some dishes put away. You can see now it's snow. Alright, now I'm showered, I'm dressed, I'm ready for the day. It's been so nice lately. I've been waking up before the kids get up, so even before the baby. And I have time to get up and make my coffee. What I do is, my routine is a glass of water, a piece of toast, and then my coffee. So it's been lovely. I've been able to do all that without having a baby on my hip while trying to do it. So, and then the baby gets up, I nurse her, change her, and by the time she goes back down for a nap, Sam's usually up, I'm able to have a shower, and now Sam's awake, and I'm just gonna start making her some breakfast. I just, usually don't eat until a little bit later after I have my toast and my coffee. I am getting hungry now, but right now I'm just going to make Sam some eggs and some toast so she can start off her morning with high protein, a little bit of carbs, some water, and that's just how we roll around here. So let's make some eggs. There's been a lot of sickness going around still, even though everyone's been better since Adriana had RSV and all that sort of nonsense, and then we all got it. Now there's a little more sickness coming around again. Jeremy's on puffers, coughing all the time, and we've been using more garlic. I find garlic is super helpful, so I'm gonna put it in Sam's eggs this morning. And she doesn't mind the taste of it either. I do eggs with cheese and garlic, and it tastes pretty good. I've had it the last few mornings as well, and I just swear the garlic will help you when you're sick. The fresh garlic cloves. Just got a little clove here because she doesn't like a ton of it, but at least putting a little bit in I just find is super beneficial. I cut it really thinly too, so she's not eating it and eating like chunks of garlic, because then she probably wouldn't like it so much. And she doesn't like her yolk, so I always have to break that up. One thing I find with garlic though is your hands are gonna stink like it for the rest of the day when you're cutting it up. Just a little salt. Now I'll just cover it, let it sit, that way it'll cook right through, and it's pretty yummy. Looks pretty good, eh? Oh shoot. I'll go give this to Sam. She doesn't want to be on camera this morning. Man alive, yesterday it was snowing a little bit in the morning, and then in the afternoon went up to 10 degrees and everything melted. Like, it was just like really wet, so there was nothing that would stay on the ground anyway. And so I thought today was the same thing, like a little snow in the morning, 10 or 11 in the afternoon. No, now that I've checked the weather network, because I've been watching the snow all morning since I showed you out the window, and it just keeps getting like bigger chunks of snow and staying on the ground. So I was like, I need to check the weather network. So I did, and I seen it's actually supposed to snow for the majority of the day and not be warm at all. Like, frig, we're literally moving in a couple of days and it's snowing again. We had no snow yesterday, like just the tiniest bit in the morning that I said it got up to 11 degrees and sunny, and so there was nothing, no snow actually on the ground. And today, just before we're about to move, in like 3 days, we're gonna get the U-Haul and start moving. It's snowing and there's snow on the ground. This is Canadian weather for you. It's just like so unpredictable. It's not out of the norm for it to be snowing in March. It's just like, because we're gonna be moving. And I hate the thought of moving in the cold and snow when I really thought that we would be moving in nice warmer weather and no snow on the ground. Cause like, you're lugging stuff in the snow and it's slippery and it's wet, and it's just like, I can't believe it. Man alive.